I can't believe I believed everything we had, but let's so young and
What's up, my stylish people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be bringing to you this wig unit from GRWM Wigs on Amazon. They sent me out their natural 22-inch water wave unit. This is a 13 by 4 wig unit, you guys, and when I tell you this wig is flawless, the curl pattern, everything about this wig is just so soft and amazing. So yes, you guys, I will be bleaching the knots, plucking this unit, and applying this to my head. So once I do all of that, I will be, applying it on. So here's the steps that I'll be taking. First, I will be, applying the cap on, and everything is self-explanatory, you guys. I'm just gonna be giving y'all different looks. I'm not gonna be necessarily explaining how I apply, what to do, and how to do it, because everything is self-explanatory and you learn as you go. So with that being said, just sit back and enjoy this video. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more looks on how to apply in different, wig units. Like I said before, I've been working with different brands, trying different wigs, bundles, as well as clip-ins and tape-ins. So you guys will be seeing a lot of different styles and hair textures. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I also will be doing some giveaways very, very soon on my channel. I have so many wigs, so many bundles that, I'm not using. And I just want to give away some. So make sure you guys subscribe, share the video so you guys won't miss out on the wig giveaways. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Close. some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the top, I'm balanced, I'm leveling. Red under my heels, I ain't stumbling. You nigga wanna buy me, Chanel, Dior, Versace.